Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how we can create a text that looks like it's made from glass and it's also glowing. Let's first create a background using the black color here. Next thing, select the text tool, click, and I'll write the name of my channel. And then select this color here. Now I will go to the select and transform tool, hold down the control key and make this text bigger. By holding down the control key, we are making sure that we are not changing the aspect ratio of the text. Next thing, filters, ABCs, matte jelly. And now hold down the control key and press D to duplicate this. And I'll grab it and see if I have the right object. Control Z to place it back where it was. Now again I'll go to filters, this time ridges, metallized ridge. And now you see the final result. We have a text that looks like it's made from glass and it's also glowing. As you can see, filters in Inkscape are pretty powerful and especially used on different objects on top of each other and combined together. You can get some really interesting results. Now if you like this tutorial, rate the video and subscribe, and bye for now.